Most students don't hate math. They just haven't been taught in a way that makes it click. Parents feel frustrated, students feel stuck. Welcome to my channel, where math finally makes sense. Here you will find weekly math lessons. So we've just simplified this equation to give us x equal to 4. Smart and simple math tricks. Take 5, multiply it by the next number after 5, that will be 6. 5 times 6 will give us 30, then add 25 at the end. Tips for parents and tutors. When a child says, I hate math, what they really mean is, I feel stuck. Instead of reacting with pressure, pause and say, tell me what's confusing you. Start from where they are stuck. Be patient and celebrate small wins. And if you need help, I am here. Plus, bonus content like Yoruba lessons. When you read it, you tell me what it is. So number 1, Ori is what?
Head.
Okay, number 2.
Mouth.
And Bible study with my kids. In this Bible, we have 66 books altogether. So the Old Testament has 39 books, while the New Testament has 27 books. Whether you are here for tutoring support or learning at home, math confidence starts here with a creative touch. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you never miss any lesson. Let's make math click.
Hi, I am Ms. Becca, a virtual math tutor and mom educator.
Hi, I am Ms. Becca, a TRCN-certified math educator with over 12 years of experience. I hold a bachelor's degree in mathematics education and an MBA in hospitality and tourism management. So, I don't just know math, I teach it in ways that make it stick, especially for students who have lost confidence. I simplify math with creativity and care. I use stories and real-life examples to make lessons memorable. And I help kids build the confidence they need to enjoy math, not fear it. I specialize in grades 1 to 9, where math foundations are built, because if the foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? I also support parents with practical tips and resources to help their children thrive. If you are looking for a tutor who teaches with patience, passion, and purpose, you've just found her. Click the link in the description to reach me directly. Let's make math finally make sense. Subscribe, watch, learn, and grow.